So I want to show you guys how to get this classic winged eye look. I saw that it's trending on TikTok and Instagram right now. It's like a lifted eye look. It's really, really easy, so I'm just going to get right into it. So I wasn't going to add this part in just because I wasn't sure if it really made a difference. And then I realized it does make a difference, so I'm just going to show you really quickly. I already have this part of my eyebrow filled in, but what I want to show you that's kind of important about really getting that lifted eye appearance, especially if you're as tired as I am, you want to take a good brow pen. I love the Precisely My Brow. This is in 4.5 by Benefit. I like it. It has a really fine tip, so it's easy to work with. And you just kind of want to pull your eyebrow out. Now, if you don't have eyebrow like me, that's the best part because you don't have to worry about following your own brows. You can kind of create whatever you want. So I feel like for me, when I go out, instead of doing it really harsh down, it gives my eyes more of that pulled back appearance than I find if I were to do it more so down into where that bone is. That's going to make it
So starting up, I'm going to use the Pretty Cool palette by Dose of Colors. You could use whatever colors you want. I'm just going to start with a really light shade and kind of just put it all over just to make it nice and matte. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of tape, and this is going to help really give myself that nice sharp wing. And then I'm going to take a little bit deeper of a shade and I'm going to start winging it out. And what I like about the tape is that you could get messy and it's not a big deal. So then you're going to see I'm going to start going into the inner of my eye, but I'm going to keep it nice and low. I'm not going to bring it up high on my eye bone. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a really small angled brush and then I'm going to start bringing it into that inner corner. Then I'm going to take this brown shade, and it's a liner, but it turns into a powder by Buxom. And I didn't want a really, really sharp eyeliner, which is why I'm using this because it's nice and powdery. Then I'm taking the deepest shade in that palette, and I'm going to start just buffing it in on top of that line. The thing about this that's going to give you that lifted eye look is if you keep this wing nice and tight lined, but you want it to be smoked out and buffed out just a tiny, tiny bit. You don't want it to take over your whole eye. So then I'm going to take a pointer brush and I'm going to basically shade it right on top just so it looks a little bit lighter and it looks nice and diffused, and it still gives you that smoky eye, but it's just not too much. Then take off your tape and here you go. Add some lashes, add some mascara. You can make it nice and smoky and glam, or you could leave it nice and natural. I hope you guys like this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.